Welcome to our exciting business series. Today, we are delving into the incredible world of artificial intelligence and exploring how it can revolutionize your business. Get ready for a journey into the latest AI tools that can take your company to new heights. Let's begin by introducing 4 innovative tools that are reshaping the way startups and businesses operate. Our first tool is Validator AI, an online platform that helps entrepreneurs validate their startup ideas. Using its AI-powered startup idea validator, you can quickly test your idea's market potential and receive feedback on its viability within seconds. Here's how it works. Step 1. Visit Validator AI. Step 2. Log into the website and enter your idea. Click on Give me feedback. Step 3. Your feedback will be ready in just a few seconds. Go to your profile and read the possible challenges and honest feedback regarding your idea. Next up is predis.ai, an AI-powered social media content generator that enables you to create stunning posts in seconds. Predis.ai offers a range of features including idea generation, engagement prediction, content recommendation, hashtag suggestion, and creative suggestions. Let's see how to use it. Step 1. Visit predis.ai and log in. Step 2. Click on a Create New and enter your post idea. Step 3. For advanced options, click on AI Suggested Palette. Step 4. Click on a Generate to create your content. Step 5. After generating the video, click on Play. If you want to edit, you can change design templates, edit text, and add or change media like background music, images, or videos. Step 6. Save the changes. Step 7. Link your Instagram or Facebook account and click on Schedule. Step 8. Check your FB and Instagram accounts to see the posted content. The third tool on our list is Shopify's suite of business tools, which includes a logo maker, privacy policy generator, business name generator, image resizer and optimizer, invoice generator, and terms of service generator. Here's how to create a logo using Shopify. Step 1. Go to Shopify's website. Step 2. Scroll down and click on Logo Maker, also you can explore other tools. Step 3. Click on Create a Logo now. Step 4. Choose your business space and click Next. Step 5. Select your visual style, I will choose Futuristic, and click Next. Step 6. Add your business name and slogan. For example, business name is Best Business AI Tools, and slogan is Power Your Business with AI. Then click Next. Step 7. Select where you plan to use the logo. I will choose social media, and click Next. Step 8. Choose your favorite logo or edit it as desired. Otherwise, click Next and then Download. Provide your email ID and password to receive the logo as a zip file. Download and extract the file from your email. Last but not least, we have Write Sonic. Whether it's content creation, paraphrasing, or copywriting, Write Sonic offers a range of tools to help businesses and individuals create SEO-friendly content for blogs, Facebook ads, and more. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Visit their website and sign up. Step 2. Choose a tool from the list. I will choose Blog Ideas tool and click on Try it. Step 3. Click on Get Started and select the tool you want to use. For example, I select Facebook ads. Step 4. Write your product name, for example, Best AI Tools for Business, and provide a description. For example, I will include information about all 4 tools and their applications. Step 5. Select the language and click on a Generate. Within seconds, you'll receive suggestions for your content. By incorporating these AI-powered tools into your business arsenal, you'll save precious time and energy, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. So, why wait? Embrace these cutting-edge tools today and witness firsthand how they can elevate your business to extraordinary heights. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey, and remember, the future of your business starts now. Stay tuned for more thrilling insights coming soon.